Welcome. For this video, I am going to demonstrate how to debloat apps on Android 11 devices. So now, I'll use Chrome as an example. As you can see here, the only available option is the disable button. And if you use the disable option, it won't uninstall the apps and will be able to consume space in your device storage. Unlike Chrome, this app's setting includes uninstall, which is very convenient. So let's start the debloating process. Firstly, go to your settings and search for the developer option. It should look like this. Oh, and if you can't find this setting, you need to go to your About device setting and tap 8 times on the build number to enable it. Then search again for developer option. From here, you need to enable first the wireless debugging and followed by USB debugging. It will prompt a dialog, and tap on Always Allow on this network and then Allow. Now tap on USB debugging, and then press the OK button. Then long press the wireless debugging to open its setting. After opening its setting, enable its split screen option. Now find and open the LADB to configure it. After opening, it will prompt an input dialog and we will fill it up. As you can see, the pairing information tells you why we need to use split screen. After that, navigate to the other split screen and tap on Pair Device with Pairing Code. Now it will show you the code we need to fill in the other split screen. Use the code accordingly as shown. As you can see, we are now paired with the LADB and can execute commands through it. But we need to make sure everything is working fine, and by that use the same command I am typing here, and it must show a list of your device available packages. As you can see here, this is all the packages available in my device. And now, let's find the package name of Chrome. As you can see here, the com.android.chrome is the package name of Chrome. For some reference, let's find other package name as example. Here you can see its package name is com.hobby1.#droid. Now, let's go back to LADB to debloat Chrome, as we now know its package name. To debloat a package, type the same command as I type, but the package name depends on what you want to debloat. After that, press Enter, and it will show a success message, and it means we now debloated Chrome. To prove that, let's search for Chrome in my apps list. As you can see here, the Chrome is no longer searchable. And there you go, that's how to debloat apps. Consider leaving a like if you find this video helpful. Subscribing is an option too.